Imagine this. From the wreck of the Titanic, massive iron engines were found, pieces of furniture were recovered, and even some leather shoes were discovered. Yet not a single confirmed human bone was found. Why? If every solid object is still there, where did the bodies go? First, the Titanic broke into two pieces and sank about 2,500 feet deep into the North Atlantic Ocean. At that depth, it is pitch dark like a grave. The temperature is near freezing, and the pressure is so extreme that it can severely compress a human body. But the biggest factor is deep sea decomposition. When a body sinks to such depths, soft tissue decomposition begins almost immediately. Marine scavengers like hagfish, amphipods, and deep-sea worms consume the flesh rapidly, often within weeks. The ocean floor is not silent. It is an active ecosystem where organic matter is quickly recycled. You might wonder, if the flesh disappeared, what happened to the bones? Here again, the ocean takes over. Human bones are primarily made of calcium phosphate. In deep sea water, especially under high pressure and in cold, slightly acidic conditions, bone material can gradually dissolve. Scientific observations suggest that in deep ocean environments, particularly where anaerobic bacteria are present, bones can deteriorate over time as microbes penetrate and break them down from within. In 2004, an important observation near the Titanic wreck revealed pairs of leather shoes lying on the seabed, but no visible human remains inside them. The shoes were intact, and even their shape was imprinted in the sediment. Leather survived because the tanning process makes it relatively resistant to bacterial decay. Bone, however, is not as resistant under those extreme conditions. Another factor is ocean currents. Any remaining skeletal material could have been scattered far from the wreck site, where it would eventually face the same fate, breakdown and dissolution. If a body had been sealed inside a metal container, some remains might have survived longer, but in open exposure at such depths, natural processes erase almost everything organic. This is not a mystery or a curse, it is simply nature at work. The wreck site of the RMS Titanic stands as one of the most powerful examples of how the deep ocean quietly reclaims what sinks into it.